Clean out grain bin today. One of the 2 bins we got left in Indiana. This is the littler one. We got the shovel out here. Gonna get the sweep uncovered and get the sweep started. There goes Gordy with a load down to Evansville, Broadway. Hauling yellow corn. Him and Jay's hauling. I'm cleaning out the bin for him today. It's out loading it, so I got a little behind, so I got a little shoveling to do. Got some rain over the weekend, so that's good. We're able to shut down some irrigators. Illinois, we got like a ½ inch, so we shut them down. There's no chance of rain Wednesday, so hopefully we get some more. Over here in Indiana, we only got 3/10, and the corn's just starting to tassel in places, so there's not quite enough rain for us, so we're keeping them going. Get done doing this, Hagie ready. It's gonna be fungicide time here probably. I think we'll start next week. All right, it's shut down because the hopper got full. That's how much we got left in this bin. I'm gonna go kick on irrigation and then see if see all my planting maps to download to the stick I got downloaded to right now up in our shed over here in Indiana, which is where my planting tractor's at. Well, got that one running. That's the only one I was told I need to kick on there. Dave and George take care of the rest over here. This corn's got a few tassels and spots. Get down closer to the, oh, there's one right there. A lot more of it down by the river. Corn's looking nice under the water. Except not under the water. Looks a heck of a lot better than it did last week. There she is. Not you, get out of the way. Gonna get the Hagie out of the shed, at least. I think I can squeeze it through there. I'm not gonna get it ready today, but I'm gonna get it pulled in the shop, so may get it ready tomorrow. Got to put on a shield here for all the corn that, you know, we don't want hitting this valve, open that stuff up. Put the feelers on for the rows so I can follow it without steering. Works good where the ground's flat, and you gotta make sure to be in the middle of the row before you engage it. Hills don't work so good, and if you engage it too early, it doesn't work so good. Gotta do those 2 things. Switch around to my 3D nozzles. They're on different ones right now. And got to put the back boom on, so you're not spraying all over the front of the cab, or the front window, front windshield. This thing got tucked in here. Now, we always shut them off, the batteries, when they sit a while. Where's it at? It's right here somewhere. There it is. I think it's on. It is on. Hopefully battery's not dead. Starts right up. Into the shop we go. Made it out of the shed without hitting anything. Looks like Gordy made it back from a day of trucking. Well, this can't be good. Uh-oh. They're leaking. Or is that just air conditioner? That's probably air conditioner. What's wrong with this?
Oh, this corner keeps dragging. We're going to lift this side up. Always a problem.
Here comes a welcome sight. Got some rain, some heavy rain coming in. Woo! Wet out there. Oh, I did a little spraying in town at the church and at the ball field because they're going to have a tournament here in a couple weeks. A little land maintenance at the church too, or some landscape maintenance. Got 2 more loads cleaned out of the bin, and then we'll start working on the Hagie, getting it ready. See how much it rains. All right, back booms on the Hagie, hooked up. Got the feelers on. Got this front shield on. Moving the tips around. Needs a bunch of hydraulic filters. Layton's at town getting that. What are you working on over here? This has been, everybody that comes here, this seems to be the show stealer.
Yeah. That's a predecessor to Harley.
Yeah. What year is that? 73?
73.
73 Yamaha.
Yeah.
175.
He wanted something he could run around up and down the cornrows with. We're trying to get it done before it puts ear on an ear. I don't know how he'll do with the ear smacking him in the face.
Just has some funny bruises.
Yes.
What are you doing to it there?
Oh, there's a screw there. It's got to come out. If it wasn't for this drive and impact, there's a lot of them we would not have got out. That thing really works well.
What are you fixing on it?
Clutches. He wants to be able to do a wheelie.
Ah, well, we'll have to get that on here.
Yeah, so we're working on the wheelie part. What do you think on it? The case has got to be split to get to the clutches. Oh, here comes a bunch of people.
Yeah, Case IH rolling in. Hear what we don't like about the planners.
Should we hold
And
them
what we
hostage?
like. Yeah, maybe.
We'll find one of them that knows how to do software. We'll keep him.
Yeah. IT guys in need. Got that bin all cleaned out. I was running the big bin out of there, over there, the 250,000 bushel one. Same time I was finishing up, and the hopper got full right when I got done. What's the chances of that? All right, I'm gonna walk up to this big behemoth, on top of this big behemoth of the bin, see how much corn's left in it. This is the biggest bin we got. It's a 250,000 bushel bin. We only got corn left in 3 bins now. We got it in this one in Indiana, our 200,000 bushel bin at David's, and a 50,000 bushel one in Robinson. So we're getting there. Let's see. Still above where the side chute takes out on each side, so got a lot left yet. There's one sandy bump there. You can tell on the ridge there how dry that's been. That's definitely been damaged. That field usually don't make much. We did get some rain yesterday. Ended up with ended up with 6 tenths yesterday. Only 3.5 tenths over here in Indiana, but better than nothing, and got a little bit of a sprinkle now, so at least give it a little relax from the heat if nothing else. Alright, we're all unfolded and we are clearing out. Put a bunch of fresh water in it. Want to make sure not to have any chemical in there on this corn that's looking so good. Hate to ruin it now, it'd be my fault. Make sure we don't have any leaks. That brim spraying. Got my 3D nozzles all turned to them. Got one John Deere, one faces one direction, one the other. Saturday, I took off work yesterday to go coach the girls basketball because their coach couldn't be there, 7th and 8th. Back on the Hagie, I had to clean out a little atrazine in that bottom plug stuff, so I'm gonna clean it out better today. I did that the other day. I'm gonna do it better. Able to fill up out of the Titanic. David got that ready yesterday. Got our fungicide in here, insecticide. Vacuum drop to help it spread evenly on a little bit. So got that ready to go. I had this filled up water, so let's fill up a lot faster than the garden hose. Go pump it up about halfway full, and spray her out, grease it, and this dog will be ready to hunt Monday. Filling her up, getting ready to take this over to Indiana so I can get started early Monday morning. I think I'll be ready then, and I think it's supposed to, well, there's a half chance of rain. We'll see if that happens. Hopefully it rains and it's too wet, but we'll go from there. I'm gonna take that over. That's gonna be it for this week. I don't think there's a lot on here, but I ain't for sure, but see you next week. Be fungiciding then.